Your 41 NBC AccuWeather forecast, presented by Volume Chevrolet.
Welcome back. We did see a little bit of rain across parts of middle Georgia today. You can see that it was generally, some places saw a lot, other places didn't see much at all. We did see a severe thunderstorm work its way across the area around 9 o'clock this morning, moving from areas of Crawford County towards Jones County. That's where you see that green. That's where we saw some rainfall totals over 1 inch, and that was just in the span of about 30 minutes that we were dealing with that. After that, through the rest of the day, it was more scattered activity that we saw. But now everything is pretty much ended across middle Georgia. Our totals here in Macon picking up just around 1/4 of an inch of rainfall, which does still put us at a surplus for the month. For the year, we're still down by about 3 inches from where we should be, but this did help to catch us kind of up a little bit. But we are going to see some pretty dry air moving in as we're heading into tonight and tomorrow, so be ready for a big change in that forecast. This is looking out right now in the 41 sky view from downtown Dublin. Just a really nice night. It's been a little bit on the breezy side out there as we're just kind of on the other side of this cold front. So the warm side, temperatures at 72 degrees, dew points are in the 60s, and winds are still coming in from the south around 5 miles per hour. Today here in Macon, we made it up to 80 degrees. Once again, 64 where we started out. It's going to be a much cooler day as we are heading into tomorrow. We're talking about highs in the upper 60s, already down to 69 degrees here in Macon, 63 in Atlanta, and seeing 52 over in Birmingham. Much cooler air further out to the west, so not anything that we have to worry about getting too cold for right now, but we are going to see another cool down on the way for the weekend that gets our lows back into the upper 30s. We'll get to that in a second, but this is some of that dry air that's all starting to come in with the cold front. You can see those 40s for our dew points up in parts of North Georgia, so that very dry air slowly making its way in. What we had for today, blocking us from a lot of that severe weather, were actually these storms a little bit further to the south that broke everything up to the north. It kind of absorbed a lot of that energy. But now as we're heading into the rest of the evening, we're actually seeing more of these tornadic storms well to our north in the Carolinas. So once again, we really lucked out here in middle Georgia. And as we head through the rest of the evening, here's what we're watching. These showers right here coming in from the Gulf. These are going to head towards the southern side of that cold front, and that's where we're expecting to see our next chance for some rainfall overnight tonight. So areas like Dublin into Trutland County, you guys expect to see a little bit of rain overnight tonight and into tomorrow morning. Through the rest of the day tomorrow, though, we will start to really clear everything out. Sunshine expected here in Macon. It will, however, be breezy for tomorrow into Friday and especially Saturday with a few more of these dry cold fronts that are going to drop in. It's also going to help to cool us down as we're heading into the weekend. So for tomorrow, we're going to start out in the 50s for a lot of us, some upper 40s possible as well. By the afternoon, though, many of us are in the 60s. Once again, plenty of sunshine if you're heading to Cherry Blossom Festival. Should be a really nice day out there. Temperatures, though, make it back into the 70s by Friday, Saturday. Another cool down back into the upper 60s. In just 10 seconds, I'll look at our 7-day forecast.
At Volume Chevrolet, get oil changes for life, plus a 20-year, 200,000-mile warranty. Visit Volume Chevrolet, I-75 exit 187 in Forsyth. That's VolumeChevrolet.com.
And here's your 41 NBC AccuWeather 7-day forecast, sponsored by Volume Chevrolet. Temperatures will be hanging out in the upper 60s for much of the rest of the week and into the weekend. A few showers mainly south of that line from Sandersville to Montezuma for tomorrow, and then behind that, the dry air finally pushes all the way into middle Georgia. You look ahead to next week, though, we're back in the 80s. Another chance of rain returns by Wednesday night into next Thursday.
For weather updates on the go, download the 41 NBC AccuWeather app and follow 41 NBC on Facebook and Twitter.